Hyundai South Africa, you have shown zero care by allowing SA's only zero safety rated car to continue to be sold. The Grand i10 is used by students, moms, the elderly, car rental companies, and many government departments. CHANGECARS implores finance houses, insurance companies, and the AA to call for the suspension of this lethally unsafe vehicle. South African lives matter. Hyundai, do the right thing now. CHANGECARS salutes brands that place safety at the core of their offering. Hyundai SA, watch and learn how it can be done. Hyundai SA, take this death trap off the road and refund all those who were misled. You knew the car was unsafe and now you have to do the right thing.